Hey, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up MCP client side in n8n, so let's dive in. So as you can see, I'm gonna quickly delete all this. So in the previous video I showed you how you can set up the server side as well with Claude AI. I can quickly show you. As you can see, all the tools are really achievement and calculator. So let's quickly dive in. So first and foremost, let's have the trigger. We're gonna use a Telegram on message trigger. As you can see, Telegram triggers on message. I'm gonna switch it to right account. As you can see, trigger on message. So next thing what we're gonna add is a AI agent. This is basically our brain. It has a chat model. As you can see, I'm gonna quickly show you. As you can see, chat model attached to it. You can choose between different models. I'm gonna use OpenAI chat model. Change it to 4.1 nano because this is very efficient and cheap. So you can save as much money as possible with these different chat models. So for the memory, I'm gonna pick simple memory. As you can see, defined below will be ASD because I'm gonna drag it later. So as you can see, I'm gonna move them a little bit. Tools, I'm gonna add the MCP client tool. This allows us to basically talk with the MCP server. I'm gonna quickly explain it. So let's say I'm gonna input a message. Can you please let me know how much is 10 plus 10? It's gonna use the MCP client tool. It's gonna activate the server and it's gonna use the calculator tool and it's gonna send the output back to Telegram agent. I'm gonna show this later as well. So as you can see, it's red because it's not working. So we have to add a SSA endpoint as well. I'm gonna show you it later as well. So now let's add the output Telegram. As you can see, Telegram and send a text message. So we can actually receive output as well. So as you can see, chat ID and text, I'm gonna just put AST. Then we can execute the workflow, and for the SSA endpoint, I'm going to just put something here. So as you can see, the base is basically done. Now we have to set up all the chat IDs and the MCP client as well. So I'm going to hit the start flow. As you can see, now I'm going to open the agent. I'm going to source from prompt. I'm going to change it to define below. And for the text, I'm going to drag it to prompt user message. As you can see. So as you can see, now I'm going to test it again. So I'm going to quickly type here something. Hey. So as you can see, now I'm gonna pin the data so we don't have to type every time. So as you can see, now we have to set up the simple memory. So for this case, I need a chat ID. So I'm gonna open the AI agent. As you can see, the Telegram triggers chat ID, so it knows what chat to save. As you can see, chat ID. I'm gonna drag this into this box. I'm gonna just copy this and I'm gonna delete it. Open the simple memory. As you can see, key. I'm gonna just paste it inside this, and I'm going to change it to expression. As you can see, it turned green, so it's working. So very good. Now let's close this, move it a little bit. For the output, I'm gonna open the Telegram. As you can see, chat ID, I'm gonna just paste it again, turn it to expression. And I can't actually put anything inside the text box because we don't have a AI agent's output. So now I have to set up the MCP client. So for this case, let's navigate back to MCP server side, open the MCP server trigger, navigate to production URL, and just copy this. As you can see, MCP URL copied. So now we can close this, navigate back to client side. As you can see, let's open the MCP client, SSC endpoint. Let's change this to the production URL, what we copied before. For the identification, let's leave it none. And tools to include, select. As you can see, selected, just pick this one, and it's gonna give you options. In this case, we're gonna choose pick a calculator, very easy. So as you can see, now it's basically using the calculator inside the MCP server. I'm gonna quickly show you as well. As you can see, now it's using this tool basically, just this tool, not the Gmail one. So let's navigate back. Let's hit save. As you can see, command S, and let's open the AI agent. Now let's give the AI agent system prompt. I'm gonna just you have a MCP client tool. Make sure to use it whenever we need to do something that's related to calculations. So as you can see, I'm gonna close this for now, hit save, and I'm gonna unpin the data. As you can see, delete all this, hit save, and so now we can actually test it. So the workflow, hit open the Telegram. Hey, how much is 15 plus 15? So as you can see, we went inside the MCP client tool. We have some problems with the output. Okay, we didn't add the chat ID, the text output. So I'm gonna delete this from the AI agent. Boom. And actually, okay, I have to change the credentials as well. And now quickly I'm gonna drag the chat ID here as well, just in case. Again, okay, as you can see it changed, so make sure to drag it again. Don't hit this workflow again. Hey, oh, let me just copy this. Change the numbers 20. As you can see, it went inside the client tool and outputted the message. 20 plus 15 equals 35. As you can see, I'm going to quickly show you as well the execution. So let's open this. As you can see, succeeded. So as you can see, succeeded as well. And as you can see, I'm going to quickly break it down for you. The Telegram trigger activated when they got the Telegram input. It sent the message to AI agent, used the chat model to analyze it, stored the message to simple memory, and used the client MCP client tool, and went inside this MCP server trigger and used the actual calculator tool. But this calculator tool is actually connected to Claude, as you can see, calculator tool, and it used this inside Claude, and we are hosting this inside the Anthropic Claude, so that's the reason. And it went back to client side, sent the message back to our AI agent, and AI agent outputted this via Telegram, as you can see. 20 plus 15 equals 35. So it used the MCP server. So very nice. So as you can see, it worked very nice. And thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.